How much be this? $5,000. You know understand? I made this money. That's why they tell people say, if your life must change this year, one of the major steps you need to take is to look for a way to start making money online. Because if you see the way the country they go, even your salary is not going to reach shop. So look for a way to start even side hustle. I don't know why they get. You know understand? Just there with your normal mobile phone, your data. And the sweetest thing is that where you come from, where you did, it not really matter. As long as you get mobile phone, you get data, you can easily do it as a side hustle or even as a main profession. You can make cool money like this. When this lady reached out to me, say she want book she will organize class. I just want to make a post a video for my page so that my mentees will be interested in a class will feel attend a class and not agree initially. You know that because me, I not be everybody will reach out to me at the call because I must see the evidence of what you they do for before I post you on my page. So when she reached out to me, I say you want to do affiliate marketing at here and the thing you believe say they work. I say yes. She reached out to me last week, about a few weeks ago. I said, okay, man, try them. If you work for me, then I will recommend you for free. I'm not going to collect money for you as advert. When I try and see the results in 3 weeks, you know understand. And I believe, say, if you work for me, if you see try and it will work for you. So register for a class now. The link is on the first comment. You know understand. Give it a try and see the result for yourself. This is going to be saying, just go try and then see the result for yourself. I don't know how you get.